Hi everyone, this is Jem from Littlefish. This presentation is a brief introduction to Dream Engine workshops that we will be conducting every 2 weeks. We at Dream Engine, as apparently from its name, try to run our brains as simulators fed with knowledge. And we try to produce tangible results based on our collaborative experiment process. So today I will talk about this prompt engineering thing. This is a very new title, getting around for a year. You give simple text prompt to artificial intelligence and expect to have meaningful results. Here is a sample from GPT-3. I asked GPT-3 to create a list of 8 titles for my presentation that I'm having today, right now. And you can see the title suggestions here highlighted with green. Yes. Lots of cool stuff here. So, what's new? Last year, the creators of GPT-3 announced DALL-E 2, which can convert your prompts to AI-generated images. Its name comes from the combination of Salvador Dali and the animation movie WALL-E. This engine can convert text prompts to images and paintings. This version uses an enhanced version of GPT-3 with 12 billion parameters. About 4 months ago, I applied for a beta tester program. I received my accounts about 2 months ago and start testing the system. This revolutionary system converts your prompts to pictures in any style. While you can have realistic photos of any kind, you can prompt for using styles such as Sumerian tablets as shown here. That's what I love the most. Please check the links below here for discovered prompts. I say discovered because people are still discovering new prompts for OpenAI. I will be sharing this presentation with you later on. I used the style of Michelangelo in this picture and requested a photorealistic image. So sometimes you might get mysterious results like that one. AI scares me sometimes. And there is a functionality in DALL-E which is called inner painting. Let's look at this sample. I will use it as a base for my inner painting. With DALL-E 2 editor, you can erase paths of a given picture and request reconstruction with a new prompt. As I did here, I tried fishy face. I know it's worse, but it comes with a fishy face like that. So about 2 weeks ago, OpenAI announced Outpainting addition to DALL-E. As inner painting, now you can extend your pictures and with prompts, now AI can extend a picture to the unknown. This is a great improvement on the system. I started experimenting with outpainting. At Littlefish, we love to use AI-generated images for our presentations and white paper. While I was playing with it, an idea came up to my mind. We can zoom out from a picture infinitely many times, and later on, we can create a zoom out video to tell our story. As you can see from this picture, I filled the left and right parts, and it automatically generates based on your prompts. Afterwards, I made a sample starting with the first picture. You can see with the first prompt. And DALL-E with the previous picture each time. I decreased the dimensions of the previous picture to have a new picture. After 6 iterations, I come up with this video. I use After Effects to combine every picture together. So I think someone can talk over this video and explain our story. It starts from the beginning and from the caves and comes to Littlefish at the end. So why don't we have an AI-generated story for Littlefish? So how can you contribute? We learn prompt engineering together to create amazing videos and images out of it. First, join the DALL-E preview waitlist. It will take about 2 weeks for you to be accepted. Second, start experimenting with the prompts. I have the links down below here. And later on, I will be posting initial images, and we will be trying to describe and try to see the extended versions of the image, and we will combine them with After Effects to create our video. You will use initial images and have Outpainting to create the story with me. And also we need a story, you know. So this is the Littlefish Myth, the first version, and you can also contribute to Littlefish Myth. As you can see from here, it starts with the caves, and we have the development of adaptation, and we started to have communities together. In scene theory, we will have the industrial age, and we have we united for civilization again, and but we become slaves of our jobs. In scene 4, we will talk about Littlefish and the digital age and what we can do together. So this is my presentation. Thank you, and please use our Discord channel for further information. If you have questions, I would love to answer them.